Hey guys, we received this Vanxi Power 4500 Z8 model with a 150 psi car jump starter with the air compressor. So this is a car battery charger with a jump starter, a portable car battery. So let's open up the box and see all the accessories and things comes with it. So here are all the kits that comes with it. So this is the pouch where you can store this. So here you can see the different attachments and the stuff in here that you can use. So say for the power cranking, this is the attachment that you need to put in. So here you can just put it in here. This is a 4500 ampere peak with a 12 volt 9.0 liter gas and 8.0 liter diesel engine that can be used. So you can see that the light blinking. So this will start working, and then you can just put in these on your car battery and jump start it. So it's a tight attachment, and then you can also charge or this particular battery pack and also charge other devices from it. So this is a portable battery charger as well. So you can charge this with this supplied USB-C cable, and of course you need to keep it charged. So as you can see, this starts charging in, so the battery backup is coming up, and you can just start the machine after that. So this is the LED or the LCD display for this particular model. So you can say a smart screen that describes the power, battery level, the pressure and everything. It's also have the flashlight with these different modes. So this can also be used to inflate your tires. So here is the attachment for that. Just put it, and you can also use all these different attachments that come with it for your ball or any other stuff as well to pump in the air. So you can see it here and how much pressure it's producing, how much things it's getting, and then you can just inflate the tires or the ball or any other things. So here you can see the pressure of the air. So these are the different attachments for an inflation of different things, like a mattress or a ball or a cycle or any other thing. You can use this. So all the different attachments are here that you can just put it in this one and just use it. So basically, it's a multi-use kit that can be used for different purposes. And as I mentioned, it also have the flashlight with the emergency thing and the blinking modes. So that's pretty cool as well. So this one thing we fits all, like for your inflation, for your jump starting, also can be used as a battery backup or the power bank. So this one is the USB, and you can charge your mobile device or any other thing with it. You can see the charging started. So this can be used as a portable battery charger, jump starter, flashlight for inflation, tire inflation or the air pumping or any other thing. So basically a very nice kit, but be careful while taking in and out of these USBs. You can just off it and just put it in the bag and just take it anywhere you want.